Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Fonts Pack from Microsoft, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Microsoft Fonts Pack from Microsoft, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in fonts.microsoft.com and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see a variety of font categories displayed. Scroll down until you find the section for the Microsoft Fonts Pack. Click on the link or button that directs you to download the Fonts Pack. If prompted, make sure to log in to your Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, revisit the Fonts Pack download page. Look for the download button, typically labeled as Download or Get Started. Click the download button to initiate the download process. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file in your computer's default downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation of the fonts. After installation, open your preferred software application to verify that the fonts are available. You can access these fonts from the font menu within the application. Enjoy exploring the wide variety of styles available in your new Microsoft Fonts Pack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.